Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to check whether your computer in Windows 10 using SSD or HDD. Okay, to your information that SSD is solid state drive and then HDD is hard disk drive, which is more old school than SSD, and people now migrating to SSD in massive way. So how to check it? You just press Windows on your keyboard and then you can type in of device manager, and then we're showing the tab like this, and then you can find the disk option, disk drive. You just expand this one and then you can see this is mine is Samsung SSD X60 Evo blah blah blah. So if it's HDD, it will be written that HDD. If it's SSD, it will be written the SSD of as well. Okay, that's it. This simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye.